How do you control the pollution? What are the programs you guys are running?
So we have a lot of grants and incentives in order to do those things.
If somebody is planting new almond trees and taking out old trees, shredding them, do you provide grants for those as well? There are a lot of Punjabi speaking farmers who have difficulty talking in or communicating in English. Do you guys offer translation services, or do you have Punjabi speaking representatives as well? A lot of farmers, they want to see that number per acre, what I'm going to get as a grant. Do you have those kind of numbers with you as well?
So for tractor replacement specifically, it is up to 80% of replacement cost.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜਕਨਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮਡੇਰਾ ਕੈਲੀਫੋਰਨੀਆ, ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਮਹਿਕਮਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੈਨ ਮਕੀਨ ਕਾਉਂਟੀ ਏਅਰ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ ਨੁਮਾਇੰਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਹੈਲੋ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ।
Hello.
ਵਾਟਸ ਯੂਰ ਨੇਮ?
Denise.
ਹੈਲੋ।
My name is Shamara.
So, with the pollution control district, so what are your main focus? How do you control the pollution? What are the programs you guys are running?
So our main goal is to clean the air, to reduce emissions from equipment, farm equipment, or burning. So we have a lot of grants and incentives in order to do those things.
What kind of grants? Like for old tractors? Like how old? Like what year old?
So it's not by year, but it is by engine tier. So it's by engine tier 0 through 2. We want those out of commission and replaced with new, cleaner engines, tier 4 or higher, in order to help with the pollution and the emissions.
It's just with the equipment or something else as well? Like if somebody is planting new almond trees and taking out old trees, shredding them, do you provide grants for those as well?
We do. So we have an alternative to ag burn program. So instead of burning your orchards, you can remove them and chip them. And we do have incentives to help with that. So various types of equipments, alternative to ag burning. We have a lot of on-road programs as well. We're just representing our off-road ones here.
Okay. And what's the best way to apply for those kind of grants?
Everything is available on our website, valleyair.org. So you can find all the information there, or just give us a call and we will take care of it that way as well.
There are a lot of Punjabi speaking farmers who have difficulty talking in or communicating in English. Do you guys offer translation services, or do you have Punjabi speaking representatives as well?
Both. We do offer translation services, but we do have Punjabi speaking employees as well.
And what's the ballpark number? Because a lot of farmers, they want to see that number per acre, what I'm going to get as a grant. Do you have those kind of numbers with you as well?
So for tractor replacement specifically, it is up to 80% of replacement cost. And then as far as alternative to ag burn, you'd have to ask Denise.
That's going to vary per acre. Orchards are going to be $600 per acre. On vineyards, there's two different kinds. So the cane pruned are funded at $800 per acre, and then the cordon prune are funded at $1,300 per acre. And of course, any acreage, so smaller growers, 99 acres or less, are going to get an additional $100 incentive on top of what's already offered.
So the best way to reach them, ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ valleyair.com ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਗ੍ਰਾਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟੇਟਿਵ ਤੇ ਟਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਆ। ਸੋ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਲਓ। ਤੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸ਼ਮਾਰਾ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਟੂਨੀਸ ਫॉर ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਅਸ।
Thank you for having us.
ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।